my dear friends and all my respected teachers and respected parents. I am Raihan Hussain. I study in Madinatul Uloom Madrasa. Today I am stand in front of you to represent a valuable speech about the Holy Quran. Number 1. The Holy Quran is a holy book gifted to the people of earth by Allah through His last prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 2. Neither any holy book nor any prophet sent to the earth by Allah after the holy book Quran and after Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 3. Quran has complete code of life for the human beings living in this world, and it is not for Muslims only. Number 4. I swear to the God, if anybody follow of us this book, he and she don't need to ask anything from anybody. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi